Hi, Wiggle Makers. Let's see how we can easily create overlapping bone animation using graphs. Open new Blender file. Press Shift-A to add an armature, zoom in, tab into edit mode with the top end selected, press E, Z, 1 and enter to extrude bone of length 1 unit. Repeat the same to extrude one more bone. Tab out of edit mode and go to pose mode. Now click on item in the sidebar and change the quaternion to XYZ Euler. Do this for other bones too. Press N to close the sidebar. Zoom in a little, select all bones by pressing A. Now change the pivot point to individual origins. Let's rotate all the bones to -30 degrees by pressing R, then typing -30 and enter. Move the timeline up, press the keying and select rotation. Now again select all bones and press I to insert rotation keyframe. Go to frame 20 and press Alt-R to clear all rotations. Press R, then type 30 and enter to rotate bones to 30 degrees. Now press I to insert keyframe. Tab into Graph Editor by pressing Ctrl plus Tab. Press Home button to zoom into keyframes. Zoom out a little and go to frame 40. Now select the first keyframe with box select B and copy it. Paste the keyframe by pressing Ctrl V. Now let's check the animation. Let's make the animation cyclic by going to Modifiers and choosing Cycles. Now the animation is looped. Select the bottom bone. Open the bone channels and check the rotation channels by turning off the eye of each channel. Now we know that it is the Z that we have rotated the bone. We can delete the other two channels by selecting and pressing Delete. Do this for other two bones as well. Let's select the middle bone and in the graph editor select all and press G and X to move the first keyframe in the graph to frame number 5. Now select the top bone and move the keyframes to frame number 10. Let's check the animation. Now this is a beautiful overlapping animation. This is how we can easily create an overlapping bone animation using graphs.
Please like, share, and subscribe.